Welcome back! In this tutorial, we'll look at how you can use Clicker Analytics to assess the work your learners have produced. The Analytics tool allows you to quickly and easily access information about how learners have put together their work and the support that they have used. To assess a piece of writing that has either just been finished or has been saved and reopened from another time, go here and then select Analytics. On the left-hand side, you will see the review chart, displaying a summary of the percentage of words input into the document in different ways. From the keyboard, the predictor, different clicker sets, spell check, and words that have been pasted in. In the document, the different words are now colour-coded. So black has been typed from the keyboard, purple has come from the predictor, green, yellow and blue have come from different clicker sets, and red from spell check. You can then go into the different tabs to see further information on the support the child has used. In the Predictor tab, you can see the words that were chosen, what was typed before the word was selected, and whether the speech was used to listen to the word as well. In Clicker Sets, we can see the grids that were used, the words that were selected, and whether the learner listened to them before adding them to the document. Go here and choose Teacher Notes to add any further information which can be printed alongside the other analytics data. Thanks for watching. See our other tutorials for more Clicker features.